Zoom's Video SDK provides video, audio, live streaming, screen sharing, chat, and access to data streams as a service. You can build your apps with all of these features or pick and choose using any of the supported platforms shown here. Today I'd like to show you a short demo of a video call between a customer and a banking officer using the Video SDK. Here we see the banker logging into their internal portal, and if we switch to the customer view, we can see they've navigated to the Contact an Expert page of the OMZO website, where they have an option to connect to a banker. They can choose what they'd like to talk about, and which banker they want to speak to. Then when the customer joins the video session, if we switch back to the banker's host view, we can see an alert pop up telling us the customer, John, is waiting for us, and we click the OK button to join the session. Now we can see there's a single video window for the banker, and the customer has two windows, one for the banker and the other for self-view. This shows how we can provide different layouts depending on who joins the session. You can provide in-session chat capabilities, and again this window could be draggable or fixed. On the customer view, since they didn't have the chat window open, we'll display the chat message as an alert, and then the customer can open the chat window if they want to respond. The banker can also expand the window to show both videos, and they can drag the window around compared to the customer view, which is fixed. The banker also has an advanced dashboard view as a host. This view allows the banker to record the call, and here we see a recording icon displayed in both the banker and customer's windows. You could also allow hosts and customers to pause and resume recording if that's a requirement. You can also build AI features on top of our Video SDK. This isn't natively built into the Video SDK, but by accessing the raw audio and video data through the Video SDK, you can implement this capability yourself, or by integrating to a third party. It's also easy to provide custom buttons to integrate into third-party apps and websites, like DocuSign. We can also enable screen sharing, or you could decide to only let the banker screen share and disable this for the customer. You could make these windows draggable and resizable if you'd like. For participants who speak another language, we can offer translation and transcription services. Each participant can choose their own preferred language, or they can simply have the English transcription if they prefer. The transcription window can be displayed anywhere on the screen. Here we've pinned the window to the bottom of the screen. This is the transcription and translation feature. Looking good. And if you need to invite additional participants, you can send them a notification or copy the invitation URL and send it to them any way you would like. Now we see that our banker and customer screens have adjusted to show the third participant. Again, the layout options are completely customizable, and it's up to you how you want this displayed for each user. To learn more about the Zoom Video SDK and to start implementing video into your app, make sure you head to developers.zoom.us